Wave.
They're familiars.
Oh, yeah. That one's got some graffiti on it.
Let's see what the graffiti says, because we don't want to miss reading the graffiti.
29 miles an hour so far.
Oh look, there's something right there. It looked like the A was upside down.
Yeah. There's some. Isn't that a Kansas City? No, what is that one?
Yeah, it is. Because the reason why you can't tell is because of graffiti.
Yeah.
Well, look at the Union Pacific. Holy crap! All of this.
32 miles an hour.
All this graffiti I cannot read. Oh, Dick something.
There's a really old hopper coming up.
Yes, it's a Union Pacific. No C&Ws.
Not yet. Oh, there's a DPU coming. 35 miles an hour so far.
Oh, BNSF hopper?
Oh, yeah.
Is it BNSF?
No, it's a GATX.
No, graffiti. I couldn't even read all the graffiti on this train. I wish I did, then we would have known what it said. Man, he's screaming past! Holy crap!
72.25. Top speed of 34 miles an hour.
97 cars.